In this video, we are going to be focusing on the inspect element. And in this case, we are simply going to be learning how to use the inspect element to edit web pages directly from our browsers. When we set inspect element, this is simply a browser tool that allows us to view and modify the code and style of web pages. The inspect element also helps developers and users to understand how web pages are constructed and make temporary changes for testing and sometimes for experimentation purposes. This video will guide you through the process step by step with a clear instruction and practical examples. Editing using an inspect element is simply a way to change how our web pages looks temporarily on our web browsers. In order for us to perform this operation, we simply need to right-click on the element we want to edit, like text, images, or layout on the web page. Here on this web page, we have something which says, what does a web developer do? And in bracket is also said, and how do I become one? Let's say we want to edit this temporarily. The only thing we need to do is to highlight. We need to highlight. We have left click and right click, but in this case we're going to be focusing on right click. At this point, if you scroll down, you're going to see inspect element. This is the display of the inspect element, and this is how it looks. So if you notice here, at the middle here, it's a little bit highlighted. If you take a look at it properly, you are going to see something like page title, article, page title, greater than what does a web developer do in bracket. So you are going to carefully place your cursor there. Then you click on backspace. If you click on backspace, as you can see, it's deleting. Keep on clicking the backspace until you wipe away everything. But the program code, which is greater than and less than, don't tamper with that. So this is where I'm performing this operation, this particular place. As you can see, my cursor is blinking. So you can choose a word of your choice, but remember, this is strictly for educational purposes, and we're editing it temporarily, not permanent. Therefore, we can write something like Gemnik Science. So at this point, next thing you need to do is to click outside of that bracket. You can click here, then you close the whole inspect element. As you can see, because what is written previously is different from this. Instead of what we have, something like web developer, now we have changed everything, it turns out to be Gemnik Science. So this is it for this problem. I hope you find this video helpful. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.